Before you move another inch, before you check your phone, before the noise of the world enters your mind, pause for a moment. Because if this audio has found you this morning, it's not an accident. Something powerful is shifting in your life. Today is not just another morning. It is a morning that chooses you. A morning that aligns you with success, clarity, confidence, and unstoppable momentum. As the world slowly wakes up, you are waking up differently. You are waking up with purpose, with intention, with strength that most people never activate. Take a deep breath. Feel the energy entering your body. Feel your mind sharpening. Feel your focus rising. Today, you step into a new version of yourself. The version that succeeds. The version that follows through. The version that attracts opportunities effortlessly. The version that gets results. As the morning light touches your world, imagine it touching every part of your mind, clearing the doubts, cleaning the fears, dissolving the old patterns, and opening space for success to enter. You are not the same person you were yesterday. You are wiser now. You are stronger now. You are more aligned now. Today, success is not something you chase. Success is something you become. Say these words quietly, or simply absorb them into your subconscious as your new reality. I am ready for success. I am aligned with success. I am focused, disciplined, and driven. Today, I choose clarity. Today, I choose action. Today, I choose growth. I am stepping into a powerful version of myself. I welcome new opportunities with confidence. I trust myself. I trust my path. I trust the timing of my life. Success flows to me naturally. I attract people who support my goals. I attract ideas that move me forward. I attract results that match my efforts. I am committed to my vision. I take consistent action. I stay calm, centered, and confident. My mind is clear. My thoughts are strong. My energy is aligned. I am becoming unstoppable. Every step I take today leads me closer to my goals. Every decision I make supports my success. Every challenge I face becomes a lesson that strengthens me. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am proud of the discipline I am building. I am proud of the life I am creating. Success is not outside of me. Success grows within me. With every breath I rise, with every thought I expand, with every action I transform. I am productive, I am focused, I am confident, I am powerful, I am unstoppable. I follow through on my plans. I stay committed even when it's hard. I show up for myself every single day. I am creating a life I am excited to wake up to. Success feels natural to me. Achievement feels natural to me. Growth feels natural to me. I am worthy of big opportunities. I am worthy of financial abundance. I am worthy of recognition, respect, and success. I am worthy of everything good coming my way. Today, I walk with purpose. Today, I speak with confidence. Today, I move with intention. Success is happening for me right now. Opportunities are aligning for me right now. The right people are coming into my life right now. My energy is powerful. My mindset is sharp. My actions are aligned. I am the creator of my destiny. I release all doubt. I release all fear. I release all hesitation. I release anything that slows me down. I rise above negativity. I rise above comparison. I rise above limitations. I rise into my highest self. My goals are possible. My dreams are achievable. My vision is becoming real. I'm proud of how far I've come, and I'm excited for where I'm going. Today, I don't need motivation. I am motivation. I don't need confidence. I am confidence. I don't need success. I create success. The universe is supporting me. Life is guiding me. Everything is working in my favor. Success is my natural state. I am exactly where I need to be. Everything I want is already on its way to me. I am focused on growth. I am focused on discipline. I am focused on becoming the best version of myself. Today, I win. Today, I rise. Today, I succeed. I am grateful for this morning. I am grateful for this opportunity. I am grateful for this life. I am ready. I am capable. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. With this new energy inside you, step into your day with absolute certainty. The world is ready for your strength. Your goals are ready for your action. Your success is ready for your arrival. Before you go, take a deep breath. Feel your confidence rising. Feel your clarity sharpening. Feel your purpose activating. Today is yours. This life is yours. And your success begins right now. If you want more powerful morning affirmations like this every day, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment saying, "I am ready," and share this with someone who deserves success too. Your journey has already started. Now go create the day you were meant for.